This is basic movement 2, but we've added bouncing. We detect the left edge and bounce. We detect the right edge and bounce. Now, it's important to note that there's no physical bouncing going on. We're just programming and saying, if I'm at the left edge, go to the right. If I'm at the right edge, go to the left. So let's take a look at the code. Same stuff as before, bring in the library, set up the constants, characterize the window, add the circle, nothing surprising. Endless loop, wait a little bit, move. But now I want to say if I'm at or off the left edge. So I put in a comment. I say if C1's X location, that's how I say this, is less than or equal to 0, that means I'm at the left edge. And so my movement, which must have been -2 to be moving to the left, becomes -2. So our movement becomes +2. And that says start moving it to the right again. So if the X coordinate, that's how I say it, and notice the capital letter, by the way, is less than or equal to 0, change the direction of the movement. If the right edge, which is this statement, if the X coordinate plus the diameter is greater than or equal to the width minus 1, that's because if the width is, let's see, what do we have, 1,000, then the last position is 999. So I'm saying if the right edge of the box is at position 999 or more, that means I'm at the right edge of the screen, change the value of X jump. So if I was moving to the right, then X jump must be 2, so I would go over 2, over 2, over 2, and so on. Now if I'm at the right edge, change that +2 to -2, which means X jump becomes -2, and now the movement the next time through will be to the left. It's important to understand that we move, we wait, then we check for hitting the left, then we check for hitting the right. If we do hit the left, we change the direction. If we do hit the right, we change the direction. But then again, we wait, move. Am I at the left? Am I at the right? If I am, then change the direction, but otherwise, wait, move, and check to see if I'm at the left or the right. So unfortunately, even though most of the time you're not at the left and you're not at the right, you always have to write your code so that it checks. Is my object at the left? Is my object at the right? Here's a run. Hit the right edge. Hit the left edge. Hit the right edge. And so on. And remember, every one of these movements, you're checking to see, is the object at the left, is the object at the right, even though most of the time that's a wasted check. That's how it works.